Good day, engineers, and welcome back to another calculator technique video for electronic circuits. In this video, we will be discussing the series AC or the impedance of the series AC circuits. Impedance. So ano nga ba ang definition ng impedance? Impedance is a measure of opposition that a circuit or a device represents to the flow of the alternating current AC. It encompasses both resistance and reactances. So, ito yung mga mahahalagang formula sa impedance. So, reactance reactance ng ating L. So, yung L dyan ay inductance is equal to 2 pi FLI. So, yung kay capacitance naman is 1 all over 2 pi FCI. So, for series, ang mangyayari is J is equals to R plus JXL minus JXC. And for parallel, 1 over R plus 1 over JXL plus 1 all over JX. Ang tanong, kailangan ba tandaan yung formula na yan? Yes, you need to tanda the formula or kailangan mong tandaan. Kailangan mo ma-remember yung ating formula. Pero, itong sa series and sa parallel, in some instances, kailangan mong tandaan. Pero, in this video or calculator technique, kahit di mo natandaan yung dalawang yan, ang kailangan mo lang tandaan dito is kung paano gumagana yung formula. Yung concept mula sa DC circuit, mag-a-apply din yun sa AC circuit. Yung kung sa series, pinag-a-add lang natin yung mga resistances, dito ganun din sa impedance ng series AC circuit. And sa impedance naman ng parallel circuit, yung parang sa DC parallel din ng resistance. Pinag-add siya pero naka-reciprocal. Next, question 1. Find the impedance of the given series AC circuit. Nasaan ang pen? Okay. So, meron ditong frequency na 60 Hz. Ang R natin is 350 ohms. Ang L natin is 800 millihenry. Tapos, ang capacitance natin is 3.5 microfarads. So, tandaan natin yung formula kanina na X sub L is 2 pi FLI. Then, yung X sub C equals to 1 over 2 pi FCI. Okay, i-type natin to sa calcu. I-store mo to sa A. Then, ito i-store mo sa B. Okay, punta muna tayo sa complex mode kasi merong imaginary. So, una is yung X sub L. So, siya is 2 pi. 2 pi times ng F is 60. 60 times ang ating inductance. Inductor is 800 times 10 to the negative 3 since mainly times mo ng I. Press equal, then shift, store to A. Then yung isa naman is 1. Sa capacitance, 1 over 2 pi times frequency times capacitance is 3.5 times 10 to the negative 6 kasi siya is micro. Then, i-times mo ng I. Equals, then shift, store to B. Then, ipag-plus-plus mo lang. Magiging mangyari R plus XL plus X. Yan yung mangyayari. Z is equals to that. Okay, ang R natin is 350 plus ang XL naka-store sa A plus ang XC naka-store sa B. Equals. Okay, nabay sagot? Hindi pa po. Convert mo pa to sa polar. Shift 2, then 3. Magiging sagot ay 575.060 or 064. That's it for this video. And if you have any questions, you may send me a question on my Gmail account and of course on my official Facebook page account.